Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you an amazing project trx.house. So trx.house is an amazing website for TRX investment. First of all you have to sign up using the sign up link. First just click on sign up button and you will see this is the creating account page. And first of all you have to enter the phone number, select your country code. So as you can see I am selecting the number of my, and I will type my number here and I will remove this, and now I will enter the password. So here it is my password, again password, and then the invitation code. I don't have invitation code, I think. Let's enter the captcha. I will ask my invitation code from my supervisor. So this is the invitation code 624460, and after entering all the details just click on sign up, and it says registration successful. I will click on save my logins, and now I will enter login my account. So it says password wrong, the password isn't wrong. Click on sign in. So I am logged in successfully. As you can see the total balance is now 1000 TRX. This is the sign up bonus, and company introduction is TRX House, official company TRX underscore house on Telegram. TRX House currently has the 10 self-built mines, corporation mines all over the world, and the leading one blockchain community. Introduction of mine top 10 mining base in the world. So this is all about TRX House. So as you can see at the top of the screen there are two buttons, deposit and withdraw. So let me show you how to deposit this application. We'll just click on deposit, and you have to copy this address, copy the address and send to demo fee here. Let me show you. I will end sending demo here, and I will click on send TRX, and I will select enter the paste the code, and I am sending 5 TRX to this application. Click on continue, and the transaction will be just click on confirm. I am confirming the authorization, and as you can see the 5 TRX has been sent to this application. Let me show you the status is pending. TRX will withdrawn soon, so the status is pending. I will show you, and as you can see the status is completed. So let's go back to our application. Now I have sent 5 TRX to this application TRX House. I will click on get the deposit amount, and after pressing the button, so as you can see it will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after charging. It may delay, but it may not take too long. So let me explain other options until the deposit arrive. So I have 1000 TRX still. Let me show you how to withdraw. Just click on withdraw button, and here you can see the basic account, and enter your address, enter the security password, and click on confirm. After clicking confirm, the withdrawal will be withdrawal soon. So there are team, share, logout. If you click on team, you will see level 1, level 2, level 3 teams. If you click on share, here is your referral code. Copy this referral code and send to one of your friend, and your friend joining using this link, you will get the reward. So let's go back. If you click on logout, you will log out. So this is the wallet. As you can see 1000 TRX equivalent to $60.97, and the promotion is 0. Join to be a millionaire, and here is the platform display. About us, we are at best, and the global partners are WazirX, Coins, DCX, Bitman, Binance, OKX, and Hobby Global. If you click on trading, so here is the trading. Trading profit is 60 TRX. Qualifying transaction revenue, I will click on receive. As you can see I just received this trading profit, and trading profit, just click on view all. Here you can see the all traffic. If you click on share, I already mentioned the invitation link. So as you can see my total balance is now 1060 TRX, and I already show you how to deposit and how to withdraw. So the TRX deposit quantity is 0, and if you click on team, here is the team I already mentioned. This is the profit list. Click on profit, and the page is loading. As you can see I just earned 60 TRX profit. So this is the profit list, and the trade is transfer to basic account. You can also transfer basic account to a promotional account, and so on. If you click on share, here is a share link, And if you click on notification, you will see all the notifications here. If you want to reset your password, you can reset your password here. So let me show you again how to withdraw. Click on withdraw button, and you can see daily withdrawal limit is 0 and the basic account, and you can also select the basic account from other account. And let me show you. I will select 60 TRX to be withdrawn and enter your address here. I just paste my address here, and now I will enter my password. After entering the password, I will click on confirm button, and as you can see it says confirmation. I will click on confirm again. Click on confirm. It says please enter withdrawal amount. So I am entering 60 TRX to be withdrawn, and enter the security password again, 254. And let's check if the withdraw it says incorrect password. So this is how withdraw works. And if you want to change the language, you can change the language here. There is notification, and at the top corner you can see the contact support Telegram. You can contact them by using Telegram button. So the deposit isn't arrived yet, so let me check again. Click on get deposit amount, and as you can see the deposit has been confirmed. The TRX deposit quantity is 5 TRX, and now the total balance is 1065 TRX. Go to mine, and let's try withdraw again. So daily withdrawal limit is 0.12 TRX, and you can withdraw 0.12 TRX. So let me show you how to 0.12 TRX, and enter your password here. So I am entering the password and click on confirm. It says you have to bind the information, so enter your name. As you can see, I just enter my name, and I will type my area code here, and this is my email address, and click on sure. As you can see the success, it has been successed, and deposit will arrive soon. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.